Now guys, today I will replace the wire on the glow plug. Send the current transmitted to the glow plug and also apply to the motor housing. To replace the wire, you just need to unscrew it and screw in a new one.
That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.
Hi everybody, recently I had a problem with coil ignition. My car didn't gain speed, the candles were black and the fuel consumption was increased. Coil didn't fit current to the candles. Now I want to replace it by a new one. To remove it, you need to disconnect these wires and unscrew these two bolts. Let's go. That's all, replace the coil. The machine works without problem. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and put like. Hi guys, this video is about checking the spark plugs for operating. To do it, we need a start engine. A small spark should be appear in there. Let's go. As you can see, our candle, there we have a small spark. Our candle is operating correctly. But if there are missing, that means our candle is not operating. That's all works. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like. Hi guys, the color of the spark plug allow you to quickly diagnose the engine. Soft black fluffy carbon deposits of the candle indicate an over-enriched combustible mixture or damage to the air filter, blockade, and poor air passage. The whitish color of the spark plug insulator opposite indicate an overlean fuel mixture. A lack of gasoline in the combustible mixture, driving with increasing load on such a mixture can threaten overheating and subsequent burnout of the exhaust valves. A black jambi sludge is usually accompanied by strong engine vibration and indicates an irregular spark plug or minimum cylinder pressure. Colored deposits reddish brown, yellow appear as a result of oil additives, substance added to the oil to improve its performance. No such sediment is not removed during engine operation. It must be cleaned by with your own hand. A thick layer of black carbon indicates difficulties in self-cleaning of the engine. Spark plug don't reach self-cleaning temperature or the fuel mixture is too rich. Candles are not always a blame of the problem. It could be bad gasoline or irregular fuel systems that is too rich or too lean. Interruption can be caused by a punctured high voltage wire. For more aware of the spark plug, when light them, you can swap them. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. This video is about changing spark and plugs. This is the key, here's the key to open the spark plugs. Remove it. This spark and plugs change every 2500 kilometers or if this central electrode is worn out. If we have like that black cautions, it will be removed by sandpaper. By this way you can change all these spark plugs and that's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like.